Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and install actions and stuff for Minecraft Bedrock. Alright, let's begin. First, open Minecraft and go to the main menu. From here, tap on Marketplace to enter the Minecraft Marketplace. Once you are inside, use the search bar and type actions and stuff. Then press search. You can type the full name or just enter actions, and the pack will appear in the results. Tap on it to open the pack page. This pack is Actions and Stuff, version 1.9. One important thing to note is that Actions and Stuff is no longer free. You will see a buy button on the pack page and you will need to purchase it to continue. If you have the Minecraft Marketplace Pass, you can use that instead. The pack used to be free, but it is now paid due to its popularity. If you already purchased Actions and Stuff before, tap Update at the top. If you just bought it, tap Download and Install, and follow the download process shown on your screen. So that's basically how you can download and install actions and stuff for Minecraft Bedrock. That's it for this video. Thanks.